Remember, you are construction workers for the day, engineers for the day.
47.
The newest generation of construction workers are at Ybarra Elementary. The workforce life is still years away. For now, their task with repairs on campus revolved around a math lesson.
So,
It's not just about let's add numbers together. I want them to understand that later on, they're going to need it. It's going to be a profession for them. Some of them might be engineers, some of them might be plumbers, mechanics, and we need all those professions in.
The boys and girls are studying perimeter and area. All students have their construction hats along with measuring tape. And of course, pencil and paper for note-taking.
Equals 6.
We are doing this rotation where it has to do with construction, and we have to find the perimeter of every single item that's under construction, so it's just like a scene that the teacher made up.
We need to fix the windows or like replace something. Like let's say a wall was broken, so like we have to replace it.
They do so once they jot down all the information after taking proper measurements.
We have to check each side. If it's a square, we can do like the number. We have to put it on each side. Let's say the number is 24 and we have a square. So we can do 24 times 4.
By giving the boys and girls this activity, Mrs. Palomo wants her students to understand engineering jobs are not all about hard labor. It requires the use of the mind and skill.
They're going to hire the person who knows how to, get the correct measurements. We don't want a building that's falling down. We don't want something that's not put back correctly.
It feels like I'm ready for a big job, not try to get by, but like to try to get a lot of money.
For KWS TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.